Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. So I have tried this foundation out a couple times just so I can make sure I can have a more accurate review for you guys. I know my brows look a little crazy, but I just penciled them in, threw some color on them, and I'm going to actually use this as a concealer. So, since it's full coverage and whatnot. And so I'm going to use this to, of course, foundation my face and conceal my face as well as my eyebrows. So I have two shades. I have 356 Warm Coconuts as well as 334 Warm Sun. I'm going to be mixing these two to create my foundation shade. So first things first, yes, pump, okay? I am here for the pump. This makes life so much easier. Like, honestly, pretty thick consistency. I used a lot more than I needed, unfortunately, because I wasn't paying attention while I was talking. But I'm just mixing this color here, and I did about equal parts. So this is full coverage, so it says. So we're gonna see how this applies. I went ahead and primed my face like I usually would. So we will see how it holds up. Okay, so first things first, I definitely should have used more brown. But that's okay. At least we can see. So at least you can see how the coverage looks. So, and once you highlight and contour and all that stuff, you can make the foundation work for you. Yo, this is OD. This is OD. So if you guys can find a good shade, this does work as a good concealer. Okay, so now that my full face is done, it is now 2:14. Okay, don't mind the military time. 2:14. I'm going to check back in a couple hours so you guys can see how the foundation is holding up. But yeah, this is how I look now. And I will come back and give you an update on how the foundation is holding up. Alrighty? Okay, goodbye. Okay, so quick update. I'm actually about to step out and grab something to eat, so I don't mind my mirror. But it is now 5:06 and I just went to use the restroom and I noticed that the oils were starting to peek through already. Like, how am I already oily? And I'm having some kind of allergic reaction to something, though I'm not sure what it is. It seems to be focused on the cheek area here and here, but mainly on this side. I've worn this foundation already. I'm not wearing any other new products. So I don't know what's causing it, but yeah, there's a lot of texture going on right now, and I very rarely ever break out from something. So that's kind of new. I'm not sure where that's coming from, but yeah, so this foundation is already already oily. Well, starting to get oily. This is around the time where I would blot. It hasn't even been 3 hours, bro. Like, that's... It hasn't been 3 hours. I didn't highlight my nose, so that shouldn't be there. It should be matte. Foundations generally last at least 5 hours. Like, bro. What the... What is this? Alright, I'm hungry. I'm out. But, Yeah, this foundation's not looking too good. Okay, another update vlog style. It's am I still looking schmuxy? Schmuxy. Yeah, no, I'm a hot oily mess. All right, come on, bro. Oh, no good, no good. And it is 8:14. So it's been 6 hours, but I've been oily for a while. You can't really tell on camera, but I don't like how it's sitting on my skin. And it was like 10 bucks each. I got it from Walmart. But yeah, they're going back. I'm not a fan. And it looks decent on camera. Like, so I'm like, But I just came from the bathroom and the lighting, it was terrible. I love that it had a pump. The consistency was fine. I could have mixed my color a little better, but that was user error. And once again, I was using two to match me. But overall, it didn't last, so I'm not the biggest fan. But this is it. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It feels pretty good, actually. It didn't smell weird. Like, I mean, yeah, I still don't know what's causing this breakout. And I don't know what it is because I'm not wearing anything new. So I guess it technically could be the foundation, but it's concentrated on one area of the face, which is this cheek area. So I'm thinking it's the blush. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!